morning, students. Today we will start with the discount. When we go to the market, there is a marked price. Marked price which is written on the article you purchase, or sometimes it says list price or printed price, or sometimes it's catalog price which is given or written at the article. So discount is when we reduce the price by certain number, and discount is always on list price or the mark price. Discount percentage is equal to discount upon list price into selling price. Selling price is the price at which the shopkeeper is ready to sell, that is the mark price or the list price minus discount. And discount is equal to discount percentage upon 100 into mark price. The better way to understand is that this is a line where this is a mark price, we minus discount, then it comes selling price, or we have CP, we add profit or subtract loss, then we come to here. From both we have to come here. Either we have to assume mark price or we have to assume cost price. So we'll do few sums related to this. You have to understand it very carefully. The mark price of article is rupees 10,000. Shopkeeper allow discount of 10% on mark price. Find selling price. So we have to remember that mark price is always on, the discount is always on mark price. Discount is 10% of mark price is 1000. So selling price will be 10,000 minus 1000, it's example 2. Example 2 is selling price is 18,000, discount is 10%, find mark price. As we know, the discount is on mark price and mark price is not given, so we'll write let the marked price be X. Discount is 10% of mark price, 1 by 10x. Selling price is mark price minus discount. So selling price we have to find, that is 18,000. Mark price is X minus 1 by 10x. 18,000 is equal to 10x minus x. 9x by 10 is equal to 18,000. X is equal to 18,000 into 10 by 9, 2000. X is equal to 20. Right? Example 3. Example 3 is a trader marked the price 40% above the cost price. Mark price is 40% above the cost price, and discount is 25%. Find gain or loss percent. So mark price is 40% above the cost price. This is X, this is 140 upon 100x. Let cost price be X. Mark price is 40% above the mark price 140 by 100x. Selling price we have to find first to know the gain. Discount is 25%. 25% of mark price. 35. 3500 by X is discount. Selling price is mark price minus discount. Mark price is how much? 140 by 100x minus discount is this. This will be 105 upon 100x, that is selling price. Now the cost price was X. There is a gain. Gain will be SP minus CP. 100 and this minus 100x. 5 by 100x is gain percentage. Gain upon X into 100. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. So gain is 5%. Example 4. Example 4 is dealer purchase the washing machine. We purchase washing machine for rupees 766. Purchase. He allowed the discount. He has given the discount of 12% on mark price and still gain 10%. Find mark price of machine. So purchase means is CP. CP is 7660. Gain is 10%. And we have to find MP when the discount is. So there are two methods. First method is we take MP as X. Discount is 10% of X. 1 by 10x. Selling price is 1 by X minus 1 by 10x. 9 by 10x. This is selling price. So he has a gain of 10%. So CP will be equal to 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into SP. So now we can assume CP as X 100. Gain is 10%. SP will be 110. So now we will write if CP is there is no need. So we will find SP here because CP is given to us. SP will be equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit upon 100 into C. So 110 upon 100 into 766. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. 766, 766, 6248, 8426. 8426, that is SP. This is also SP 1 and 2. Both the SPs will be equal. 9 by 10x is equal to 8426, x is equal to 8426 by into 10 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 3 9 3s are and 9 9 8 4 9. This count is also 10. So 9 3s are 9 9s are 81, 32, 9 3s are 27, 5, 9 8s are 56, 9 3 8. How much percent, above cost price a shopkeeper marked his goods so that after discount of 25% he gained 20%. So now we go by this. This is CP, this is SP, this is MP. If we assume this X, CP is X, gain is 20%, SP will be 120 upon 100x. Gain is 20%. 25% is discount. This is 1. Now we will write let MP be 100. Right? So discount is 25%. So that will be 75 will be SP. So 120x upon 100 is equal to 75. X is equal to 75 into 100 by 120. So this is 5, this is 6, this is 15, 3, 25, let cost price be 100, gain is 20%, selling price will be 120. Now mark price is X, discount is 25% of X, 1 by 4x. Selling price will be X minus 1 by 4x, 3 by 4x So this is also the selling price and this is also selling price, both will be equal. So 3 by 4x is equal to 120, x is equal to 120 into 4 by 340 is 160. 160 is mark price, so 160 minus this 60% above the cost price. Now we have successive discount. Successive discount is when the two discounts are given. Like a shopkeeper gives 30% discount and another shopkeeper gives 20% and 10% discount. Which is better? Shopkeeper A, mark price is 100, discount is 30%, 30 upon 100 into 100. Selling price will be 100 minus 30 is 70. Shopkeeper B, mark price is 100, first discount is 20%, it's written 20, mark price will be 100 minus 20 is 80, second discount will be on 80 because so it will be 8 rupees. So selling price will be 80 minus 8, 70. That means first is better. The less price will give you the more benefit to the customer. Price, mark price of article is rupees 3000. Successive discounts are 20% and 10%. Find selling price. First discount is 20% of 3600. So selling price after first discount will be 3000 minus 600, 24. Second discount will be on remaining price, that means 10% of 2400, 240. So selling price will be 2400 minus 240, 06, 216. So I hope you have understood. In case you have any difficulty, you can call me at my number, right? Or you can see the video again to understand in a better. Thank you.